Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I take this basic tee and turn it into a cute, fun, flirty crossover top for the summertime. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go in with your scissors and just cut down the center of your shirt. I marked where I wanted it to be at first, so I didn't know where to cut horizontally, so I'm just going in horizontal here and cutting each side of the shirt. After you do that, then I'm going to go in and just finish cutting towards the neckline. I'm just going to take it and open it up on each side, and I wanted my shirt to be a little longer in the back, so I cut down about an inch on the back of the shirt. So after you've done that, you're going to have this little piece, and you want to save that for your ties. So I just went in and cut the little two pieces that I was going to insert into the shirt to wrap around. And they were actually a little skinnier than that, but you get the point. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in and I'm cutting a little slit in the shirt in the corner, just so that I can take the ties in and then loop them. So yeah, I'm just going to stick those into the slits, and then I'm going to tie it. After tying each side, you're going to want to go in with your scissors and just remove the excess string and the finished product. Hope you guys have liked this DIY. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.